All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 1, which is one of the NFL Red Zone card boxes. We have a Wade versus Russell battle. Wade with 3, Russell with 7. So we'll check the time, December 18th at 5:06 p.m. I'm going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have December 18th at 5:06 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Russell. Spot 5 is your winner. So, Russell, whatever we opened in break number 1 is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 18th, 5:07 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.